Hey, have you heard about the different approaches to lean training?
Yes, I have. It's important to teach lean principles and practices effectively. Reading about lean is great, but there's much more to learning.
Definitely. Did you know that the most effective way to learn lean is by doing?
Yes, that's why in-person classroom training combined with hands-on exercises is a proven approach.
I read that hybrid in-person classroom and lean training online, combined with hands-on exercises, is becoming popular too.
Yes, it has the advantage of less time spent in the classroom and a higher percentage of in-person time spent applying the learning.
What about hybrid virtual classroom and e-learning, including hands-on exercises?
This approach became popular during the pandemic, and it's effective with live sessions of 2 hours maximum and active participation. Systems like Miro make the learning very interactive and effective.
Wow, that's interesting. What about e-learning with coaching?
Self-paced lean training is effective, but combining it with coaching, either by the instructor or other seasoned lean practitioner, is essential to ensure its effectiveness.
That's great to know. It's essential to choose the right approach to lean training to ensure that our team becomes proficient in lean principles and practices.
Exactly, and by understanding the different approaches, we can choose the one that best fits our team's needs and learning style. EMS Consulting Group, the leader in lean training, offers all of the options we've discussed. Check them out at emsstrategies.com.